Hey, this is Andrew Brown from Exam Pro, and we are taking a look at Local-Exec, which allows you to execute local commands after a resource is provisioned. So the machine that is executing Terraform, so what's doing the Terraform apply, is where the command will execute. And a local environment could be your local machine, so your laptop or workstation, a build server like GCP Cloud Build, AWS Code Build, or Jenkins, or Terraform Cloud Run environment. So that is a single-use Linux virtual machine. So just an example, and there's a lot of cases where you might want to automate, but the idea here is after you provision a VM, you need to supply the public IP to a third-party security service to add the VM IP address, and you could accomplish this by using locally installed third-party CLIs on your build server. And so there is a bit of an overlapping responsibility between Terraform outputs versus Local-Exec, because the idea is that by getting data out after something is provisioned or something like that, you can do something pragmatic. But the idea here is Terraform outputs allow you to output results after running Terraform apply. Local-Exec allows you to run any arbitrary commands on your local machine, commonly used to trigger configuration management like Ansible, Chef, or Puppet. Okay.